Hello everyone, we are from Group 5 and we will be presenting about change management analysis in Samsung Electronics. Myself, Kamay Gurnan Salaketire, Imtiaz Mohammed Fatima Maimna. In simple, Maimna. So I'll be leading the presentation. Company overview. We'll first talk about it. Point number one is the global leader in smartphones and technology. The company is recognized worldwide as one of the top producers of smartphones and other tech products like tablets, TVs, and electronics. It has a strong reputation and presence in many markets. Number two is major competitors like the Apple, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, so these are the key drivers in the smartphone market. Apple competes in the premium segment, while Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo target more affordable markets, creating intense competition. The last point is market share declining in some regions. Despite being a global leader, the company is losing ground in certain areas, possibly due to rising competition, slower innovation, or changing customer preferences. Now let's talk about the diagnosis. What must change in this? So our number one problem is the smartphone sales decline, and the impact of that is reduced revenue and market share. That is, the fewer units sold means less income and a smaller presence in the market. This indicates the need to attract more customers or release more competitive models. Problem number two is the high product prices. As the customers switch to cheaper brands, when the phones are too expensive, people choose more affordable options from brands like Xiaomi or Oppo. The company might need to adjust pricing strategies or offer mid-range alternatives. Problem number three is the slow product differentiation. It is the impact of this weak brand loyalty. If every new phone looks or performs too similarly to previous ones, customers lose excitement. Competitors offering unique features may attract them, so innovation and distinctive design become critical. And the last problem is the high production cost in this Samsung Electronics. So, producing phones at a high cost due to materials, manufacturing, or logistics eats into profits. The company must find ways to reduce the cost, such as improving supply chains or sourcing cheaper materials. Now, in this, there's the sweat analysis we have analyzed. So, the first one is the strength. It stands for strength. So, number one is the strong global brand. The company has a trusted name recognized across the world, built over years of quality and marketing. This reputation helps maintain customer confidence. Number two is the advanced technology and innovation. So Samsung is known for cutting-edge features like powerful cameras, foldable screens, or 5G. The company invests heavily in research and development to stay ahead of competitors. Number three is the wide product range. It offers products for every market segment, from budget phones to premium flagship devices, as well as other electronics appealing to a wide range of consumers. The last point is the large distribution and marketing power. So the company has a large global network for selling and promoting its product. A strong presence in retail stores, online platforms, and advertising ensures it reaches millions of customers worldwide. And now I will let Nawal to present.
Yeah, let's continue with the SWOT weakness. First, Samsung's price is higher than many competitors, which can make it difficult to attract customers who are more price sensitive. Second, the company releases too many models and that sometimes causes customer confusion. People may not know which phone best fits their needs. Third, compared to Apple, Samsung has a weaker software ecosystem because it relies on Android rather than a fully integrated system. And finally, some Samsung products fall quickly in the market, which shows that product testing and market research could be improved. So overall, this weakness highlights areas where Samsung can improve, especially in pricing strategy, software integration, and simplifying its product lineup. Let's continue with the opportunities. First, there is a growing demand for 5G and AI-powered smartphones. This trend allows Samsung to develop innovative devices and lead in a new technology. Second, There is a strong potential for expansion in developing markets where some smartphones usage is still growing rapidly. And third, as the digital lifestyles expand, people are using more electronic devices for work, study, and entertainment, increasing overall device demand. So, in summary, these opportunities show that Samsung can continue to grow by focusing on innovation, reaching new markets, and adapting to the digital lifestyle trend.
Hello, myself is Tajanisha. So in this part, I'm focusing of the first on our SWOT analysis. In this part, there are a few key and external challenges in this company is facing. First, Chinese brand. They are offering similar features but as much as the lower price. This increase the price competition and put the pressure on our margins. Second, technology change really fast, especially in this industry. If we don't involve quickly, we will risk falling behind the competition. And the third, consumer spending is going down in a tough economic times, which might the people are very careful with their money. They might delay buying new products or switch the cheaper alternatives. So these are the main internal factors that they can affect the company's growth and the stability. Force field analysis. Here I use force field analysis to understand what the forces are dividing to resist chance in the company. The driving force are pushing us to improve. We need to innovate faster, deal with the competitor pressure, and meet customer demands for better features. This is the reason why change is necessary. On the other hand, the resistant forces are what hold us back. For example, production change are expensive. There are internal resistance to change, meaning employees or departments might hesitate, and there are urgently at the return on the innovation investment. Basically, this analysis help the balance both slides who shows what the overcomes to move forward successfully. Finally, based on the thirst and focus, there are action plan. Practical strategies with their expected result. First, by innovating AI features, especially for the camera and platforms, we can achieve better difference, stand out from competitors. Second, automatic production helps reduce cost and increase profits, which tackles the price pressure issues. Third, using strong digital marketing and influencer help to connect better with youth marketing since they are very active online. And lastly, improving the after sales device built on customer loyalty. So keep up the choosing the brand which the marketing get competitive. So this plan help the threats and this is the forces opportunities for growth. So here comes my friend Tina.
Hello, my name is Dina, and I will talk about the expected outcome. So they are for Samsung to retain its smartphone market share, increase profit margin, and strengthen its global competitive position. But the conclusion about this topic, Samsung need to keep adapting its strategy by combining innovation, strong market and efficient operations, the company can stay successful. Continuing improvement is necessary for Samsung to remain the number number one leader in the market. Thank you for watching us.